Just wanted to share a quick tip with you on how to find great recipes right here on my website. You know you're in the right place when you see my picture and you come to the search bar where you can enter in what ingredients you might have on hand. Say, for example, you want to make something with chicken and a pasta. You put those two things in here and you search. The default option is products, but you go right over to the recipes and you can see a ton of recipes that will pop up that use those two ingredients. You can also filter those recipes by using the categories right here, whether you're looking for the main dishes or if you're looking for something in 30 minutes or less. Or my favorite is you can decide on how you're going to cook it. So if I wanted to use, say, the deluxe air fryer for cooking chicken, all the great recipes for that would pop up right over here. Another great tip that I want to give you is if you want to help yourself get a little boost of extra nutritional value in the things that you are already eating and cooking, search under enrichables and all these recipes where you can add a packet of enrichables protein, which is 10 grams of protein, or 2 cups of kale and fiber in each packet. You can't even tell, and they would just get put right in any of these recipes, including desserts, because enrichables don't have any taste. It's pretty awesome. You can kind of figure all of that out. So there you have it, an easy way for you to find some great recipes to help you eat healthy.